So we don't want to release moa into the wild, and we don't want to put them into zoos. So we want to be able to give the moa, a natural environment as big as we possibly can.
Nāia ngā kōiwi o te moa, kua tīpoko ki te ao.
So they had these huge nostrils in here.
Heoi, hea wanga tēnei kai rangahau tai ao mo te whakarauoratanga o te moa.
I guess the slight issue is that de-extinction is a misnomer and it's a false promise. It's not actually possible, and that's just the slight nervousness for a number of us, is that de-extinction isn't actually achievable right now.
The idea that we could see one again, return it back to the ecosystem, work with the Māori and bring back this animal that has a cultural heritage here, it's almost overwhelming.
Kua tūhono te kāhui rangahau o Ngāi Tahu ki tēnei kamupene no Amerika, ara ko Colossal, hei whakarauora i te moa. Hei tā Melanie Mark-Shadbolt no Te Tira Whakamātaki, kua tiro ia ki te taha whakarauoratanga mā roto mai i te uiui i ngā whānau mō te manu huia. Ko tā ngā whānau, me aro ki ngā kararehe e ora tonu ana.
It also gave us an ability to start thinking about what were the words our whānau used. They said it almost got us off scot-free. So if we cause the extinction of the moa, as some of our whakatauki say, we need to live with the shame of that to remind us not to do it again.
He nui ngā whakaaro a te Māori mō tēnei take, heoi e hia nā Ngāi Tahu ki te ruku. Ko tā Michael Stevens e whakaaro tonu ana mo te tikanga o tēnei kaupapa.
A lot of this technology is so new, it's such new territory. In a way it poses not necessarily new challenges, but it asks new questions of tikanga. And so we're really interested in the ways in which tikanga can sort of rise to answer some of those questions. And ultimately, I guess, developing almost a kind of sub-tikanga, right? A tikanga about this particular thing.
This is a left tarsometatarssus, so it's the longest bone.
Kua piri mai a Paul Schofield, hei kai pūtai ao, ka mutu e pupuri nei i te whatiwhatinga o ngā kōiwi moa ki te whare tauka o Waitaha. Ko tāna, mā Ngāi Tahu e arahi ana i tēnei rangapū.
Never have they worked with Māori in a true collaboration, or they've never worked with Indigenous groups, such as Māori, in a collaboration where, in this case, Māori will be telling them, do this, don't do that. It's an amazing opportunity to bring back a taonga and to actually have that taonga working for you.
All I can do is repeat, what Ben Lamb from his comment he's made. He thinks like the best case scenario is a check in 5 years, and if things don't go as well as he anticipates, and it's more like 10 years. I guess the worst case scenario is they can't do it at all. Our thing is to really try and understand.
Tai hoake ka kite i ngā hua ka puta mai i tēnei whakarauoratanga mai i Amerika me te haukainga. Shakayla Andrews Alapaki, Tahu News.
Ko te reo